Hi guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how to cancel money transfer in Western Union. The process is straightforward and effortless, but before starting the process, let me tell you one thing. And the thing is, in each country, Western Union gives limited access. Currently, I am using US Western Union account, so maybe the interface of Western Union will be different. But I'm hoping by following my method, you can cancel the online transaction. And the process is, you will see these 3 lines. Tap on it, and on the first number, you can see the option History. Tap on it. So these are my current transaction, which I have done in Western Union. And we will cancel a transaction. Let me clear one thing. If your transactions are completed by Western Union and amount is paid to the receiver, then you cannot cancel that transaction. And if your transaction is in progress, then you can cancel that transaction. Simply take a look on that transaction. On the right side, you will see dots. Tap on these dots, and here, tap on the option Cancel. After tapping on the option Cancel, your transaction will be canceled. So keep in mind, if your transaction is completed, then you cannot cancel that. So it was the basic way by which you can cancel a transaction in Western Union.